We as an organisation work closely to empower local residents become the best version of themselves. My name is Awale Elmi.
And I'm Ahmed Mohamed.
And we are the founders of Rise Projects, a community empowerment organisation.
Working with Somali communities.
We work in Haringey, in a borough where there's 190 languages spoken. It's enriching, and I think migration is a cornerstone of human existence, and it's something to celebrate.
Our organisation was founded on the back of a lot of problems being faced by the community.
We have supported over 2,000 people in terms of accessing opportunity, reducing health inequality, creating opportunities in employment, and dealing with the housing crisis. Since 2024, we've been working with IOM to run workshops on digital literacy. Digital exclusion is a big issue in our community. The workshops have been really good in terms of informing people about different options, in terms of remitting money, and there's been significant savings. They are also able to cut down waiting times.
Remittance has taken role of states.
It's about supporting people by way of health, education, and also supporting families during crisis.
That's what remittance does for you. You become the aid giver.